Now I'm gonna teach you the holy book of Islam. There are 4 books which are revealed by different prophets. So the first one is Torah, which we are saying in Urdu. In English it's called Torah, and Zabur, which is called Psalms, Injil, which is called Bible and Gospel, and the last and final one is Holy Quran. Now I'm gonna tell you that which book was revealed to which prophet. So the Holy Quran was revealed by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Torah was revealed to Moses, may peace be upon him, which is the Christian and Judaism religion. Bible was revealed to Jesus, may peace be upon him, which is Christian religion. Holy Quran was revealed to Muhammad, Prophet, peace be upon him, which is Islamic religion. Psalm was revealed to David, may peace be upon him, which is Christian and Jews religion. So now I'm gonna tell you the prophet's name in English. We are using in Urdu, but still we don't know like how to call in English. Adam alayhi salam, Adam, may peace be upon him. Idris alayhi salam, Enoch, may peace be upon him. Noah alayhi salam, Noah, may peace be upon him. Ishaq alayhi salam, Isaac, may peace be upon him. And Musa alayhi salam, Moses, may peace be upon him. Daud alayhi salam, David, may peace be upon him. Yaqub alayhi salam, Jacob, may peace be upon him. Maryam, which is the mother of Jesus, Mary, may peace be upon her. Sulaiman alayhi salam, Solomon, may peace be upon him. Elias alayhi salam, Elias, may peace be upon him. Harun alayhi salam, Aaron, may peace be upon him. Shu'aib alayhi salam, Jethro, may peace be upon him. Yusuf alayhi salam, Joseph, may peace be upon him. So guys, this is my video which is related to Islam and religion. If you really like this video, just let me know in the comment box, and if you want to know another prophet's name in English, just let me know in the comment box. I'll make that video just for you. So have a good day, take care, and bye bye.